Let's get permission to screenshot. Yeah, please screenshot. Yes. Thank you for asking. Yes, thank you for the respect. I think that's really respectful of you to ask whether can I screenshot. Yeah, please go ahead and screenshot. Okay. So yeah, short words. So why? So Joshi is means help. So it helps in the sentence. All right. So kaku Joshi, the first one. Okay, particle, case particle, kaku Joshi, and usually followed by a noun indicating the logical relationship between nouns, the verb, and the adjective. So the whole case particle is my topic today. All right. So next one, you have parallel markers, or they call it 黑粒子作息. It's parallel, right? So particle 黑粒子, so particle are particles that translate to and or English. Usually put nouns and noun phrases in parallel, sometimes grouped together with a case particle such as ka, no, ya, ni, to, yara, nari, dano. So if you really want me to have another session with you all on different kind of particles, please do drop me a message and say that, oh, I would like, so then I will not teach the rest yet, but my focus is the case particle, but of course the rest of them are very important as well. So if you want to know more about it, do let me know. The third one is sentence ending particle, meaning it's always end at the particle ends at is at the end of the sentence. It plays at the end of the sentence to express emotion, emphasis, determination, surprise, doubts. The speakers will call for attention and other ridiculous, hard to explain effect. Yeah, like ne, yo, kana, so ne, ne, that kind of thing. So it's kano, ya, na, wa, tomo, kashira. So all these are the put at the back of the sentence. All right. Interjectory particles, or they call it kanto joshi, sometimes listed as the final particles, express emotion, the speaker's point of view, like sa, yo, ne, so there's ne, so there's yo, sa, this kind of ending part, the interjectory particles. All right. So it's all have interrelated. All right. So what is the next one? So altogether, there's 8 of them, all right? 8 of them. Adverbial particle, or they call the fukujoshi. Fuku means you help up, right? Placed after case particle or verb and act as an adverbial to modify the following and add more special meaning, like bakari, made, dakke, hodo, kurai, nado, nari, yara. Binding particle is kakari joshi. Kakari, relationship, binding them together, binding the relationship together, right? So sometimes you group together with adverbial particle. Linking particle are used to link or specify an expression in the sentence, such as wa, mo, koso, demo, shika, sae, dani. All these are the binding relationship, okay? Conjunctive particle, or they call it the setsuzoku joshi desu ne. They connect 2 clauses to each other, like ba, ya, ga, te, no ni, no de. Very important also. This one. This is super important as well. This one is always JLPT, and JLPT N5, JLPT N4 will always come out with this particular question on your grammar side. Okay. Ba, ya, ga, te, no ni, no de, kara, tokoro, ga, mo, kuseni. Kuseni is a bit higher level. Kuseni is in JLPT N2, this word, because I just learned that like last year. So phrasal particles, juntai joshi, usually come after a verb or act upon an entire phrase. No, kara. Okay, so I'm not going to talk so much on this. So now you know. I want you to know is there's altogether 8 kind of particle, usage of particles. Okay, so I'm going to only focus on the case particle, which is the big 9. All right. Okay, so now let's go into the next content that you're going to study is Japanese sentences.